Hi, I'm Mark Kistler, and I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this information video and for considering the possibility of inviting me to your school to present my visual arts school assembly, either in person or virtually. I want to launch your students' imagination with pencil power. Learning how to draw in 3D inspires creativity and builds powerful problem-solving skills. Learning how to draw will rocket your students' artistic confidence beyond the stratosphere. For over 40 years, I've had so much fun and I've had so many extraordinary experiences presenting my Dare to Draw in 3D assemblies at thousands of schools around the world, including schools throughout United Kingdom, Spain, Germany, Australia, Brazil, Japan, Dubai, Canada, Mexico, Tonga, India, France, and throughout all the United States. I began teaching my How to Draw school assemblies over 40 years ago in 1981 in Southern California. In 1985, word began to spread across America about my super fun, turbo-engaging school assemblies. A producer from Maryland Public Television observed one of my school assemblies, and he had so much fun, he was so inspired that we collaborated in creating the 1985 hit PBS children's art series, The Secret City. The Secret City was such a smash PBS hit across the country that one of the viewers, Michael Calero, created this really wonderful art piece featuring Commander Mark of the Secret City with Mr. Rogers of Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood, Bob Ross from The Joy of Oil Painting, and Reading Rainbows' LeVar Burton. Michael called it 1980s Mount Rushmore PBS icons. Following The Secret City, after another 10 years of teaching my school assemblies all over the planet, I joined collaborative forces with Robert Newstead, executive producer, and we co-created the Emmy Award-winning Mark Kistler's Imagination Station.
Sharpen your pencil, grab some paper, get ready, it's almost time. Mark will show you how to get on the paper what's in your mind. A rocket ship, a pair of shoes, a shooting star, and some kangaroos on the imagination station. On the imagination station.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, yay!
Sharpen your pencil, grab some paper, get ready, it's almost time.
Stacy, are you ready to draw? Everybody say art attack!
We'll show you how to get on the paper what's in your mind.
And your imagination, you have a blank piece of paper. Whoa.
A rocket ship, a pair of shoes, a shooting star, and some kangaroos.
SeaWorld wanted me to jump in because I was like, yeah. I'm going, Mama!
On the imagination station.
Welcome back to the Imagination Station. Buenos dias. Ni hao. Merhaba. Teraveh. Salam, salam. Privyet. Prego, bonjour, mes amis. That means hello, friends in France. Welcome back to the Imagination Station. We're here to celebrate art, especially drawing. Oh, you wild, rowdy bundles of potential. You guys ready to draw?
Yeah!
What is 3D? What is it? It's creating the illusion of depth. No sushi. Eat chicken. Parents, I have a question for you. Honestly, how many of you have ever said, I can't even draw a straight line? Has anybody said that? Look, in just a few minutes, you're learning how to control that shape. Look at your mom and say, good job. How do you create an illusion? How do you make something look like it's alive, like it's dwelling, like it's living on that page? Well, I'm going to give you these skills. Be the lizard. And you guys look even funnier than I do. That's awesome. There's a science to it. Anyone can learn how to draw. There's a certain point right in your drawing, every one of them, there's a certain point where your drawing pops from flat to 3D. I'm going to give you what's called the 12 Renaissance words, all right? You see, size really teaches you how to draw things larger as they come at it. You'll get larger as they come towards you. Size, very good word. Size. Objects drawn larger will make them appear much closer. Objects drawn smaller will make them appear far away. Size. Whoa, check it out. It's time to leave the art studio and visit some of the famous museums in America. It's time for the Masters Gallery. Now here we got a really interesting piece titled A Sunday Afternoon on the La Grande Jatte by one of my favorite artists, Georges Seurat. Really, really great student drawings. These were sent from kids from all over the country. I love getting mail. Oh, I just hope that inspires you to fill up all your sketchbooks with tons of drawings. Draw 5 hours a day. Remember the 3Ds of drawing. Dream it, draw it, and do it. I'll see you back here on the Imagination Station. Thank you guys for coming. I'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.
For decades of teaching my school assemblies and my public television series has inspired an entire new, genius, brilliant generation of animators and artists. Many of my former school assembly students and viewers of my public television series, they were so inspired they grew up to pursue careers in animation and illustration, and they helped create beloved animated movies we've all enjoyed. Movies such as Spider-Man, Batman, Shrek, Kung Fu Panda, Tarzan, Alvin and the Chipmunks, Despicable Me, Toy Story, Star Wars, Big Hero 6, Frozen, and so many more. I've taught millions of kids how to draw. I can teach your students too. So, what are principals and teachers and PTA parents saying about my school assemblies? Well, let's take a look.
I'm so excited to have had Mark Kistler today at our school at Pioneer Elementary. He was fantastic, 100% engagement by kids, and he really showed them how to become an artist in less than 30 seconds, really. That's how I would say that. And I love the idea he has a website where my kids can take this assembly and move on for years to come. So we really are proud to have him today, and we hope to have him again soon.
Hi, I'm Tyra Resbury. I'm the principal of McCoy Elementary, and we just experienced a great assembly. We had kindergarten through second come and draw some magnificent art, and then our third and fifth grade came and did even better. It was amazing. All students were engaged the entire hour, and it was just a magnificent experience for everybody. It was a great experience.
Hi, my name is Chris Martinez, and I am a kindergarten teacher at Mountain Elementary School in Los Alamos, New Mexico. We were very fortunate to have Mark Kistler come give an assembly at our school, and it was absolutely amazing. The kids loved it, the teachers loved it, and if you think you don't know how to draw, have him come and you will learn.
Kids that I didn't think were artists now think they're artists. Everyone had such a good time, and you should see the work out of my class. It was a wonderful, wonderful assembly. The fourth graders loved it. Yeah, that was really good. It was one of the best assemblies we've ever had here. I'd highly recommend your program.
I'm Ellen. I teach 3rd grade, and we loved having you come to our school today. This is what we did.
I'm Vicki Peace. I'm the principal at Bloom Carroll Primary, and
I'm Carrie Dalton. I'm a kindergarten teacher.
we just finished with Mark Kistler, and we had a great time, and the students immensely enjoyed it. Thank you.
Oh, did you have fun?
We had a great time. Thank you.
I want to thank you so much for taking the time to watch this information video. I hope you've enjoyed it half as much as we have in creating it. What a walk down memory lane for me. Now, we are scheduling in-person and virtual school assemblies. Please reach out to the talented creative team at Academic Entertainment, Whitney, Brad, and Leslie. They'll answer any more questions for you. They'll tell you more details of the timing and exactly how to get it scheduled. We'd love to come to your school. Keep your kids drawing, stay creative, and thanks again.